What's up, everyone? Welcome back. So here's the progress on this quarter panel repair. And then what you're going to do is just going to keep, depends on how nice you want to do it. You can keep welding it until there's enough metal in here that there's no more pit holes. So I'm going to keep going. I have a couple more spots that I'm going to put metal in and then grind it flat. And then you're going to prime it in. So the more time that you spend on this, right, filling it in, the nicer it's going to come out. So you could probably get away with buttering this up now with body filler, but I'm going to try and get more metal in some of these pinholes because I just don't really feel like there's a pinhole there, a pinhole there. So a bunch of little pinholes. I'll do all that, but it is very time consuming to do this. And you can see that there was some filler on this spot already. So, you know, we're gonna take this back a little bit more and feather it all in with the mud and then finish grinding down everything else. But it's coming along nice. Thanks for watching.